Hello friends, welcome to English with Nate. In this video, we are going to answer two important questions. Question number one, what does engender mean? And question number two, how do we pronounce the word engender? The word engender is a verb and it means to cause. Let me repeat that one more time. The word engender is a verb and it means to cause. Hey, let's check out some example sentences so we can better understand the meaning of the word engender. Example number one, the president used her authority to engender positive change. The president used her authority to engender positive change. The president used her authority to cause or engender positive change. Example number two, the championship win engendered pride for the entire community. The championship win engendered pride for the entire community. So the community or the town, they had a win in the championship and it caused everyone to have pride in their hearts. We know it's important to know what the word means, but it's also important to know how to pronounce a word. So I'm going to repeat the word 3 times. I want you to listen and then repeat after me. Let's get started. Engender. 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 If you need to repeat that section, go ahead and repeat that as many times as you need to make sure that you understand the word. Check out the bottom of the screen to see how many syllables are in the word engender and how to pronounce the word phonetically. Hey friend, thanks for watching this video. I hope it has engendered you to learn English better. It has caused you to learn English better. Check out the recommended videos, and I look forward to seeing you more and we practice English together. Thank you very much. Have a great day and see you later. Bye.